10 days after its announcement, DALL-E 3 seems to have been quietly made accessible to the public via Microsoft's image creator tool as part of its web-based AI suite. Communities of digital art creators on platforms like Reddit and Twitter have noticed significant improvements in image generation and text interpretation when using Bing. These enhancements are believed to be associated with DALL-E 3, although it hasn't been officially released on the OpenAI website yet. DALL-E 3 is a highly anticipated upgrade to the widely popular image generator by OpenAI. Now, Bing Image Creator is capable of generating images with text embedded. For example, when you enter the text prompt, a cute robot holding a hologram saying "Decrypt." The robot is gray, small, happy, and has a futuristic architecture. It is on top of a computer that shows charts and trading graphs. This was generated. Another text prompt, vintage Halloween illustration vector t-shirt graphic of black cat, with text, Happy Halloween with no background. This was generated. I'll show you how to access Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator is available for free, but there's a caveat to keep in mind. When you begin, you're provided with a certain number of boosts. These boosts accelerate the image processing speed, allowing for quicker results. However, these boosts are limited, meaning there's a maximum number of high-speed image processing attempts you can make. Each boost equates to one image generation. Consequently, when you deplete your boosts, Image Creator will operate at a slower pace. However, the boost token is refreshed daily. To get started with Bing Image Creator, you'll initially need to create a Microsoft account on account.microsoft.com. Once you have an account, you can access Image Creator directly at bing.com/create. On the Image Creator website, a brief description of the desired image is all that's required. However, the more detailed and descriptive your prompt, the better the resulting image will be. Try to incorporating adjectives, specifying locations, and even indicating artistic styles such as digital art and photorealistic for optimal results.